Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Tradovate demo to Tradingview. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged in to your Tradingview dashboard, hover over products, and I want you to click on the first thing right here which says Super Charts. And once you click on that, it will redirect you to this page, and then here at the top left you should see some options, for example buy and sell. So what I want you to do is click on either of those. Let's say buy, and then here you'll see different brokers on this pop-up. What I need you to do is scroll down and click on Show All Brokers. Scroll down again until you see Tradovate. I want you to go ahead and click on this. And now here you get two options, either live or demo. I want you to click on demo and then click here on connect. It'll open up a new tab, as you can see right here. And what you essentially need to do is just go ahead and log in with your Tradovate username and password, and you'll be connected with TradingView. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.